Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the heart of data analysis, comparing two giants in the world of statistics, standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Let's break down these concepts and see how they stack up against each other in the data analysis showdown. First up, let's talk about standard deviation. Imagine you're measuring the heights of people in a room. Standard deviation helps you understand how much the heights vary from the average height. It's like the ruler of spread. The lower the standard deviation, the closer everyone's height is to the average. On the flip side, a higher standard deviation means there's a wider range of heights. Simple, right? Now, onto the coefficient of variation, or CV for short. This is where it gets exciting. While standard deviation tells you the spread in whatever units you're measuring, like centimeters for height, CV turns that into a percentage. This means it's unitless. Whether you're comparing the heights of trees or the weights of stones, CV allows you to measure variability in a way that doesn't depend on the units. It's like the universal ruler of data spread. So when do you use each one? Standard deviation is great for most applications, like in statistics, finance, or quality control, where you're dealing with similar types of data. But when you need to compare data sets that have different units or scales, that's where coefficient of variation shines. It lets you put data sets on a level playing field, making it super useful for comparing things like the consistency of investment returns across different currencies or the reliability of machines that produce different parts. Here's a quick recap of the key differences. Standard deviation is calculated as the square root of variance and is expressed in the same units as the data. Coefficient of variation is the standard deviation divided by the mean, then multiplied by 100 to get a percentage, making it unitless. In conclusion, both standard deviation and coefficient of variation are powerful tools in data science. Standard deviation gives you a straightforward measure of spread in the original units, while coefficient of variation offers a way to compare variability across different types of data. So, next time you're knee-deep in data, think about what you need to measure and choose the right tool for the job. Whether it's the straightforward standard deviation or the versatile coefficient of variation, you'll be equipped to make insightful analysis. Thanks for watching! If you found this explanation helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more clear-cut insights into complex concepts. Until next time, keep analyzing and stay curious.